So today we are going to start to new concept, that is minors and cofactors. Okay, minors and cofactors. Okay. Now this is the symbol of determinant. Have you heard about determinant in your class 12 level? I think most of you. Okay. So this is the symbol of determinant. This one is the symbol of determinant. If the numbers are inside, then this is determinant 3, 4, 6, 7. But the symbol of matrix is this, right? This is the symbol of matrix. If 3, 4, 6, 7 is inside this is called matrix. This is called determinant. But because symbol is different, symbol is simple. You can also like this. This is also what? Symbol of matrix. Okay? Symbol of matrix. Okay? So if numbers are inside, then you can say matrix. If number is inside this kind of symbol, then this is called determinant. Okay. Now you have to find minors and cofactors. You have to understand minor and cofactors. Okay. So minor. Minor. Okay. So if somebody asks you to find minors of the elements from this particular given determinant. Okay, you have to find minors of the elements. These all are elements. These all are elements. The first element is what? 1, 1. Because this one is first element, first row and first column. So first element is this. So you have to find minors of all the elements. So I am writing minor of element A11 is okay. This is first element. So this को minor चाहिँ के हो त भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो क्लोज गर्नुपर्छ, यो क्लोज गर्नुपर्छ. यसको सिधा मुनि, यसको सिधा यो क्लोज गर्दा जति रहन्छ त्यो चाहिँ तपाईको माइनस हुन्छ. सी 4 2 -2 6 रह्यो. 4 2 -2 6. This is your minor of the element A11. Likewise, minor of element A, this 1 2 A12 is अब यसको यो पर्टिकुलर A12 को के हुन्छ त भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ you can see यसको सिधा this one सिधा यो यति लुकाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ you can see 1 5 2 6 1 5 2 6. This is the minor of the element A12. Likewise, minor of the element A13 will be how much? This one. यसलाई गर्दाखेरि यो लुक्छ. Okay. So 1 4 5 -2 is your minor of the element A13. So likewise, you can find out minor of all the elements. Okay, minor of element, this one is A21 is A21 is इसको सीधा यो लुक्यो गर्दाखेरि 1 2 -2 6 1 यसको गर्दाखेरि 1 1 3. ओके, यो लुक्यो यो लुक्यो सीधा सीधा 1 3 minus 2 6. Likewise minor of element this one is what A22 तो यो लुक्यो सीधा गर्दाखेरि 2 3 5 6. Okay, so in this way you can find minor of all the elements. यसको गर्दाखेरि यो लुक्छ यो र यो हुन्छ. Okay, so in this way you have to find minor of all the elements. Okay, hope you understood how to find out minor. Now cofactor. Cofactors of elements. Find cofactors of all the elements. Okay. Cofactor of element A11 is equal to cofactor of A11 is equal to -1 I plus j. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, cofactor निकाल्दा चाहिँ cofactor of element A11 निकाल्दैछौँ is equal to त्यो चाहिँ formula -1 I means एलिमेन्ट त्यो पार्टिकल कुन चाहिँ एलिमेन्ट को रोमा बसेको छ कुन चाहिँ कलममा बसेको छ त्यो हेर्नुपर्छ. ओके, कलम कुन चाहिँ बसेको छ देन त्यसको माइनर कति हो यसको माइनर कति हो यो एलिमेन्टको माइनर कति हो यो लुक्छ अर्थात् 4 ओके 2 - 2 6 सी -1 ओके I यो A11 हो नि A11 so I1 I is row plus column is also 1. Okay, then 4 6 कति हुन्छ 24 बीचमा माइनस हुन्छ साइन. ओके, माइनस हुन्छ एउटा that is formulas minus. Okay, 2 into 2 4 -4. Okay, so यो चाहिँ प्लस माइनस 2 हुन्छ -1 यो चाहिँ 2 भयो नि त हैन इभनमा आयो इभनमा आउँदाखेरि चाहिँ प्लसै रहन्छ 24 -+4 is equal to 28 is the answer. 28 is plus मा छ त्यसले स्क्वायर प्लस मा छ त्यसले गर्दा 28 is the answer. Okay, now likewise if you have to find cofactor of the element this element A1 2 then -1 okay I plus j इसको माइनर कति छ इसको माइनर हेर्दाखेरि यो लुक्छ गर्दा 1 2 5 6 okay is equal to -1 I is your 1 but j column is 2 okay यो इसमा हुँदैन मैट्रिक्समा हुँदैन डिटरमिनेन्टमा हुन्छ. So 6 into 1 6 बीचमा minus 5 into 2 10. Okay, so यो जब पनि odd number हुन्छ जोड्दा 3 भयो नि त गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ -1 आउँछ. ओके, अडमा आयो भने माइनसमा आउँछ, इभनमा आयो भने प्लसमा आउँछ. ओके, सो -4. So minus 4 is equal to, this is 4. This is 4. 4 is the answer. 4 is the cofactor of element A1, 2. Okay. Likewise, cofactor of element A3 is equal to -1 I plus j into cofactor. माइनस यसको माइनस कति हुन्छ यो एलिमेन्टको भन्दाखेरि यो लुक्यो 1 4 5 -2. ओके, सो -1, right? Your I is 1 plus j is 3. So 5 into 2 into 1 -2, minus भित्र 5 20 is equal to, this one is 4, so k आउँदैन, प्लसमा आउँछ +1. Okay, minus 22 I think is equal to -22. Okay. Likewise, you can find cofactors of all the elements. Okay, cofactor of all the, this one is cofactor of element A21 is equal to -1 I plus j. This यसको यो लुक छ, त्यसो गर्दा 1 3 -2 6. Okay, so -1, this one is 2 plus 1 6 minus plus भित्र माइनस एउटा या 6. Okay, is equal to, this one is minus किनभने अडमा आउँदैछ माथि, -1 inside 12. Okay, so -12 is cofactor of element 2 1 A21. Okay, त्यस्तै पाराले तपाईको you can find all the elements cofactor. Okay, A22 को निकाल्दा यो र यो लुक्छ, so -1 I plus j, you look the 2 5 3 6. Okay, this one is -1 2 plus 2 12 minus 15 is equal to, this is 4, so +1, this one is -3 is equal to -3 is the cofactor of element this. So in this way you can find all the cofactors. Okay, all the cofactors of the element. So I think you understood this concept, right? Now I will give you a small assignment from matrix multiplication. This is easy, you can do at home. If A is equal to 2 1 0 -1 3 2, B is equal to 1 2 3 0 0 1, and C is equal to 1 2 3 -1. Okay, find A B C. Okay, so you have to find A B C. First you multiply B and C, then whatever figure comes you have to multiply with A. So find this at home. Okay.